I used to think keto breakfast was just eggs every single day. And honestly, I got bored fast. It made sticking to keto feel way harder than it should be. No variety, same meals every morning. If you've ever struggled with low-carb breakfast ideas for weight loss or felt stuck eating the same thing on repeat, you're not alone. But once I found the right keto-friendly breakfast recipes, everything changed. I finally started enjoying mornings again with healthy keto meals that actually taste amazing. So today, I'm sharing 17 recipes that are easy, satisfying, and seriously crave-worthy. Let's dive into the recipes I actually eat. Before we jump into the recipes, let's quickly talk about what actually makes a breakfast keto-friendly. Understanding these keto diet basics will make everything so much easier. First, it's all about keeping carbs low, usually under 20 to 50 grams per day. That means skipping bread, sugar, and most high-carb foods. This is why keto works so well for low-carb breakfast ideas for weight loss. Second, keto is high in fats, but the right kind. Think avocado, butter, cheese, and oils. These healthy fats for keto diet help keep you full and energized for hours. Third, you still need enough protein. Eggs, meat, and dairy help support your body without kicking you out of ketosis. It's all about balance, not too much, not too little. So when you build your breakfast, think simple. Eggs, avocado, cheese, meat, and almond flour. These are the foundation of most keto-friendly breakfast recipes and make creating healthy keto meals super easy. First up, one of my absolute favorites, avocado egg boats. This is one of those healthy keto breakfast ideas that looks fancy but is actually super simple. I love this because it's creamy, rich, and incredibly filling. You're getting healthy fats from the avocado and protein from the eggs, which keeps you full for hours. Here's how I make it. First, slice an avocado in half and remove the pit. Scoop out a little extra space so the egg fits perfectly. Then crack an egg right into the center, season with salt and pepper, and bake it in the oven until the egg is set just the way you like it. And here's my favorite tip: add chili flakes or a little hot sauce on top. It takes the flavor to another level and makes this breakfast seriously addictive. Next up, my go-to for busy weeks, keto egg muffins. These are perfect if you're looking for keto meal prep breakfast ideas that actually save time. What I love about these is how convenient they are. You make them once, and breakfast is done for the next few days. Plus, they're packed with protein and super satisfying. The base is simple: eggs, cheese, and your favorite add-ins. I usually go with spinach, bacon, and a little cheddar for that perfect balance of flavor. Just whisk everything together, pour into muffin tins, and bake until set. That's it. No complicated steps, no stress. Store them in the fridge and they'll last about 3 to 5 days. Just reheat and you've got a quick, delicious keto breakfast ready to go. Now let's talk about something you probably thought you had to give up: pancakes. But these almond flour pancakes, keto style, completely changed the game for me. These are the perfect alternative if you're craving something sweet but still want to stick to low-carb breakfast ideas for weight loss. They taste just like the real thing, without the carbs. All you need is almond flour, eggs, a little sweetener, and baking powder. Simple ingredients, but they create something seriously delicious. Mix everything into a smooth batter, then cook on a pan just like regular pancakes. Flip when bubbles form and cook until golden brown. Here's the key tip: don't overmix the batter and let it rest for a minute before cooking. That's how you get that soft, fluffy texture every time. If you want something quick, creamy, and zero effort in the morning, this chia pudding is a game changer. It's one of my favorite low-carb breakfast meal prep options. What I love about this is you prep it the night before, and it's ready when you wake up. No cooking, no stress, just grab and eat. All you need is chia seeds, almond milk, and a low-carb sweetener. That's your base for a super simple keto breakfast. Just mix everything together, let it sit for a few minutes, stir again, and refrigerate overnight until it thickens into a pudding texture. For extra flavor, I like adding cocoa powder for a chocolate version or vanilla for something lighter. It turns this into a breakfast you'll actually crave. If you want something hearty and super satisfying, this keto breakfast bowl is one of my go-to meals. It's simple, filling, and packed with flavor. What makes this so powerful is the balance: high protein and healthy fats that keep you full for hours. Perfect if you're focused on low-carb breakfast ideas for weight loss. The base is easy: eggs, avocado, and sausage. From there you can add greens or cheese depending on your taste. Cook your eggs the way you like, slice the avocado, and add cooked sausage. Then just assemble everything into a bowl. Quick and satisfying. Want to level it up? Add a drizzle of olive oil or a sprinkle of cheese. It boosts flavor and gives you even more healthy keto meals benefits. Now let's talk about one of the easiest breakfasts ever, a low-carb keto smoothie. Perfect when you want something quick but still filling. This works so well because it's fast, customizable, and still fits your low-carb breakfast ideas for weight loss. Plus, it keeps you energized without feeling heavy. My go-to combo is almond milk and peanut butter. It's creamy, rich, and gives you that perfect balance of fats and flavor. Just blend everything together until smooth. You can add ice for thickness or a little cocoa powder for a chocolate twist. One important tip: watch out for hidden sugars. Always choose unsweetened almond milk and natural peanut butter to keep it truly keto. Missing bread on keto? This cloud bread sandwich completely changed things for me. It's light, fluffy, and actually feels like real bread. What makes this so good is that it's super low carb, but still gives you that sandwich experience. Perfect for keto-friendly breakfast recipes without feeling restricted. You only need a few ingredients: eggs, cream cheese, and a pinch of baking powder. That's it. Separate the eggs, whip the whites until fluffy, fold everything together, then bake until golden. It's quick and surprisingly easy. Use it like regular bread. Add eggs, bacon, or cheese to make a satisfying keto breakfast sandwich you'll actually enjoy. If you're cooking for more than just yourself, this keto breakfast casserole is a total game changer. It's hearty, comforting, and super easy to make in one dish. I love this because it's perfect for families and also works great for keto meal prep breakfast ideas. One bake, multiple servings done. The base is eggs, cheese, and your choice of meat like sausage or bacon. You can also add veggies like spinach or peppers for extra flavor. Just mix everything together, pour it into a baking dish, and bake until it's set and golden on top. Super simple and low effort. Slice it into portions and store in the fridge. It reheats perfectly, making your mornings so much easier. If you want something light, fresh, and a little sweet, this keto yogurt parfait is a perfect choice. It feels like a treat but still fits your goals. I love this because it's quick to put together and works great as a healthy keto breakfast idea when you don't want something heavy. Start with coconut yogurt for a dairy-free base, then add a handful of nuts and a small portion of low-carb berries. Just layer everything in a glass: yogurt, nuts, berries, and repeat. It's super simple but looks amazing. Keep your berry portions small to stay within your carb limit, and choose unsweetened yogurt to keep it fully keto-friendly. Now this one is fun: keto breakfast tacos. If you're bored with the usual meals, this is a game changer. What makes this unique is the cheese shell. It replaces tortillas completely, giving you a crispy, savory base that still fits keto-friendly breakfast recipes. You'll need shredded cheese for the shell, plus eggs, and your choice of fillings like bacon, sausage, or avocado. Melt cheese in a pan until it forms a flat circle, let it crisp, then shape it into a taco shell. Fill it with cooked eggs and toppings. Want to level it up? Add salsa, sour cream, or a little hot sauce for extra flavor. It makes these tacos seriously satisfying. Let's talk about one of the simplest but most powerful keto breakfasts: bulletproof coffee. If you're into keto-friendly breakfast recipes that require almost zero effort, this is it. This isn't just coffee, it's fuel. The combination helps boost energy, reduce hunger, and support fat burning on keto diet, making it perfect for low-carb breakfast ideas for weight loss. All you need is freshly brewed coffee, grass-fed butter, and MCT oil. These are packed with healthy fats for keto diet that keep you full and focused. Just blend everything together until smooth and creamy. It should look like a latte, rich, frothy, and super satisfying. Start with a small amount of MCT oil if you're new, and gradually increase. This helps your body adjust while still enjoying the benefits of keto diet breakfast drinks and intermittent fasting keto routine. Craving something crispy and satisfying? These keto waffles are a total game changer. Yes, you can still enjoy waffles on a keto diet. They're crispy on the outside, soft on the inside, and fit perfectly into low-carb breakfast ideas for weight loss. It honestly feels like a cheat meal. You'll need almond flour, eggs, cheese, and a little baking powder. Simple ingredients, but they create that perfect waffle texture. Mix everything into a batter, pour into a waffle maker, and cook until golden and crispy. Super easy and quick. Pair it with sugar-free syrup or a little butter for extra flavor. It's one of my favorite keto-friendly breakfast recipes when I want something indulgent. If you need something quick and portable, this keto breakfast wrap is perfect for busy mornings. It's light, easy to make, and great for quick keto breakfast ideas when you're on the go. No bread needed. Use lettuce leaves or egg wraps as the base, then add eggs, bacon, cheese, or avocado for flavor. Just layer your ingredients, wrap it up tightly, and it's ready to go. No cooking required if everything is prepped. Prep your fillings ahead of time so you can assemble in seconds. It's one of the easiest healthy keto meals for busy days. Want something simple but feels a little fancy? These baked eggs with spinach are perfect for that. I love this because it's creamy, rich, and still fits perfectly into keto-friendly breakfast recipes. It looks impressive but takes minimal effort. All you need is eggs, spinach, cream, and a bit of cheese. That's it for a super satisfying breakfast. Add spinach to a small baking dish, crack eggs on top, pour a little cream, then bake until the eggs are just set. Don't overbake. Keep the yolks slightly soft for that perfect creamy texture. It makes a huge difference. If you're avoiding dairy, this dairy-free keto smoothie bowl is a must-try. It's creamy, refreshing, and super satisfying. It's perfect for anyone lactose intolerant and still works great as low-carb breakfast ideas for weight loss. Light but filling. Use coconut milk as the base, then add low-carb ingredients like nuts, seeds, and a few berries for flavor. Blend everything until thick and creamy. Then pour into a bowl and add your toppings. Super quick and easy. Keep your toppings keto-friendly. Avoid sugary granola and stick to nuts or seeds for a clean, healthy keto meals option. Let's keep it classic sausage and eggs. Simple, satisfying, and always a solid keto breakfast choice. This combo is one of the best high-protein keto breakfast ideas. It keeps you full for hours and helps reduce cravings. All you need is good quality sausage and eggs. That's it. Simple ingredients, powerful results. Cook the sausage until golden, fry or scramble your eggs, and plate it together. Quick, easy, and satisfying. Want to upgrade it? Add avocado or a drizzle of olive oil for extra healthy fats for keto diet and flavor. And finally, yes, you can have cinnamon rolls on keto. These keto cinnamon rolls are the ultimate treat. They're sweet, soft, and still fit into keto-friendly breakfast recipes. Perfect when you want something indulgent without breaking your diet. Made with almond flour, low-carb sweetener, butter, and cinnamon. Simple swaps that make a big difference. Mix the dough, roll it out, add cinnamon filling, then bake until golden and top with a keto-friendly glaze. This is perfect for weekends or when you're craving something sweet. One of my favorite low-carb breakfast ideas for weight loss that still feels like a cheat meal. So yeah, keto breakfast doesn't have to be boring at all. These keto-friendly breakfast recipes completely changed how I eat every morning. Whether you want low-carb breakfast ideas for weight loss, quick meals, or something sweet, you got options now. Start with 2 or 3 recipes and build from there. Let me know in the comments, which one are you trying first? And don't forget to subscribe for more healthy keto meals.